Most millionaires are not stock pickers.
They don't trade daily.
They don't chase hot stocks. They quietly invest in index funds and let time do the work.
If you're a beginner and want a realistic path to becoming a millionaire, this video is for you.
Problem relatability.
Let's be honest. Most beginners lose money in the stock market.
Why?
Because they try to beat the market, time the market, or follow social media hype. The truth is simple. Consistent investors win. Emotional investors lose. Index fund investing removes emotions, and that's why it works. What is an index fund? Simple explanation. An index fund is a type of investment that tracks the entire market.
Instead of betting on one company,
You invest in hundreds or even thousands of companies at once. For example,
S&P 500 index funds track the top 500 U.S. companies.
total market funds track almost every U.S. stock. No guessing.
No stock picking.
Just market growth.
Why index funds create millionaires?
Historically, the U.S. stock market has returned about 10% per year over the long term.
That doesn't mean every year is positive.
But over decades, it compounds. This is how ordinary people become wealthy. They invest regularly. They stay invested. They let compound interest work. Not exciting, but extremely powerful. Realistic millionaire math. Let's talk numbers.
If you invest $500 per month into a low-cost index fund, earning an average of 8 to 10% annually in 30 years,
You're looking at over $1 million.
No inheritance.
no lottery.
Just discipline and time. This is not theory. This is math.
Common beginner mistakes. Retention booster.
Most beginners fail because they panic during market crashes. Stop investing when prices fall. Try to get rich fast. Millionaire investors do the opposite. They buy more during downturns. They stay consistent. They think in decades, not weeks. Volatility is not risk. Quitting is. Simple beginner strategy. Here's a simple index fund strategy for beginners.
choose one broad market index fund.
Like S&P 500 or total market ETF.
Invest every month, no matter what. Reinvest dividends. Ignore short-term news. Stay invested long-term. You don't need tan funds. You don't need daily trades. Simplicity wins. Reality check, plus motivation. Index fund investing will not make you rich overnight, but it will make you wealthy over time. If you stay consistent, most people fail not because the strategy doesn't work, but because they don't stick with it. Time in the market beats timing the market. If you want more beginner-friendly investing videos, subscribe to the channel. Because building wealth is not about luck. It's about smart decisions repeated consistently.